My name's Alex Twiston Davies, Alex Twiston Davies Animation. I started the course with the intention of starting a new business that was related to teaching businesses more about ethical practice and emotional intelligence and learning to understand their employers a little bit better. Through the process of being part of FEOignition, I got a haircut, smarted myself up a lot, and I really enjoyed it because I really found that it was very reassuring to realise I wasn't alone and there were so many other people who were trying to do the same things as me. So I met a lot of like-minded people. It gave me a lot of support. There was even some networking opportunities which I wasn't expecting. And as a result of meeting some people through this process, I'm actually meeting next week with someone who already runs a business very similar to what I'm planning to start, so hopefully we'll be able to combine forces. And yeah, it's been an amazing experience for me. I'd really recommend it to anyone who was in the same position as me, looking to expand their business or start a new business. It's been integral to my journey.